Alert forecast.
Temperatures warmed up quickly over the past just couple of days. We got into the upper 80s for the highs, but we do have signs of change just on this map. If you look off to the northwest, Minneapolis currently sitting at 75 degrees. That's the air that's moving towards us. That's behind a cold front that'll push through. Right now, that cold front position through Wisconsin down into Iowa, into Nebraska and Kansas, not really generating a whole lot of rain shower action. That's because we just don't have a whole lot of moisture in the atmosphere to work with. So if we did, we'd see more widespread rain than what we're going to see here on Future Track. So let's walk through time now and time out those rain showers. We're going to be dry through much of the evening. As we get to the late night hours, 11, 12 o'clock, we're seeing some of those rain showers, and yes, maybe a rumble of thunder push in. Any thunderstorms that do develop, we're not expecting to be severe. And the rain is going to be pretty hit and miss overnight and through the morning. You might be waking up to a soggy morning commute on Friday, but notice a lot of the rain pushed off to our east, and we should be mostly dry by the time the early afternoon rolls around, and it does look more and more likely that those Friday night football games are not going to be affected by the rain. As we move into the weekend, we'll see more sunshine. If you're heading towards Valparaiso and up near the lake, there'll be some lake effect rain showers, but much of northeast Indiana and northwest Ohio is going to be dry and mostly clear. And Sunday, all across the region, mostly sunny conditions, but with that cold front comes much cooler weather. Talk about that here in just a second. Rain really not going to amount to a whole lot. We're talking area-wide, 1/4 of an inch at most, and we need much more than that to break the drought that we're under right now. Kendallville, Columbia City, Huntington, places to the east. This includes Fort Wayne, currently under a moderate drought. That's level 1. Fort Wayne International Airport has not recorded rain so far for the month of September, and we're seeing that conditions are worsening out there. We're now at about an inch below normal for this time of year, and we really don't have a whole lot of rain chances coming after tomorrow. You can see through the weekend and into much of next week looks dry. So gardeners, people who care about your lawn, you want to keep up on the watering. Now let's shift to those temperatures. Friday afternoon, we can see that cold front right on our doorstep. The 60s off in Chicago. We're still in the 70s in the afternoon on Friday. Then you're waking up Saturday morning. Don't be surprised if we're in the mid 40s with Saturday afternoon temperatures not too warm for this time of year. Tomorrow we max out at 75 degrees. Your weekend, like I mentioned, looking cooler. 66 on Saturday, 71 on Sunday. This is respectively about 15 and 10 degrees cooler than where we're supposed to be for this time of year. Typically we see a high of about 80, 81 degrees. So just to put that into perspective, these are temperatures normal for mid-October, not the early parts of September. But as quickly as that cool air moves in, it moves out. We're back up to 80 on Monday. We're still hanging on to the sunshine, and then we see that heat start to build back in even more. 85 for the high on Tuesday, 86 on Wednesday, 88 on Thursday. And I would not be surprised if we reach 90 for some spots on Thursday afternoon. And it does look like the warmer, more summer-like air is going to hang around for a little while, possibly into next weekend. So fans of summer, your weekend's going to come, but fans of fall, this one's for you.
Okay, summer's being stubborn.
Yeah, something for
Not a bad
everybody.
thing. Yeah. Thank you, Caleb.